Hey Queens and Keys, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching. So today's we're going to be doing a little simple wall decor that you can place anywhere around your home. So here I have 4 large mirrors from the Walmart. I have 9 mirrors from the Dollar Tree. The first 4 that I'm showing you here are 4x4, and the second set of mirror here is 5x5. Now, you know, Dollar Tree switch up on their mirror sizes. They go up, they go down. So you can actually use the same size or use the sizes that I have here. Now, I have these party plates that I purchased from Amazon. It come in a package of them. Some came cracked, some didn't come cracked. So the ones that didn't come cracked, just pick 3 of them out of them. And you're going to also need some crystals, some garlic crystals. Now, you know the garlands that you see at weddings and things like that. All I did is basically use those, and I just took the jump rings off because you can order them from Amazon like this, but honestly, I feel like it'd be cheaper if you just get the crystal, the whole garland, and just remove the jump rings because eventually you're gonna need them jump rings for something else. But yeah, so that's all I did was just had a old garland or whatever just in my stash, and I just detached the jump rings from it so I can make the crystals individual. And that's pretty much all I did. So this is the look that I'm going with. I already have went ahead and did 3 of them. So I'm going to do a dry run with you guys just for video purpose only. So here I'm basically showing you guys that I will put some glue in the middle of the plate. I will place one of the 5x5s or the 4x4, whatever one you find. And then I will go ahead and start arranging the crystals around the plate to figure out exactly where I want them to glue them at. So after I get through doing that, that's when I will go ahead and put a small amount, pick up the crystal, put a small amount of glue down and place the crystal back on top of it. I am using Gorilla Glue sticks because they work best for me. Those are the only glue sticks that I use because they work on all projects. But anyway, so once after I get the crystals down, like I said, and arranged how I want them, I'm just going to pick the crystal up, put a small amount of glue down, and then place the crystal back on top. All right, Queens and Kings. So like I said, for video purpose only, this is basically why I'm showing you guys this because this is pretty much how I did it. And this is how they look. Now, if you're not familiar with my second channel, you should go check it out, which is Queen Val Living. I have this look all over my home. So this is the reason why I decided to go with this look. So now moving on, these boards here I got from Lowe's or Home Depot. It doesn't matter. They was no more, probably about 50 cents or something like that. I'm not even sure anymore. I think I'm just throwing a number out there. But anyways, those are the base. That's how the mirror is going to be attached. And as you all see here, I don't place the large mirror, the small mirror. So I'm going to keep going with that pattern. Big, small, large, or whatever how you want to put it. And once I get it all down into place and arrange how I want it, then we're going to go ahead and lift them up, and we're going to place hot glue underneath. So that's how we're going to attach all of this together. And like I said, I stand by that Gorilla Glue stick because, baby, that thing is still holding up with a lot of DIYs that I have done that you guys love so much. They are still holding up. All right, so now that we are done gluing everything down together, I'm just going to take a microfiber rag and remove some of the dust as much as I can off of it. And then we're going to go back with a glass cleaner, which will be the square. spray away correction. Yeah, spray away glass cleaner that I've also purchased from Walmart. This is it right here. I actually like this worked pretty good. It really do. Long as your rag is a good rag, yes, it works wonders. Okay, so now that we got our mirrors all clean and everything, we're gonna take our plates that we created with the bling in the mirror, put glue here on each one of the corners, and we're gonna place them directly in the center of the large mirror. And you're gonna do this for all three. All right, so queens and kings. So once everything have dried, I'm gonna flip it over, and as you see, it is holding up pretty well with just glue sticks. So what I'm gonna do to attach it to the wall so I can hang it up, I'm actually gonna use the picture hooks that I had lying around, you know, in my stash, of course. And I'm gonna drill these on here. I was gonna place it like this, but I was too afraid that it wasn't gonna be even. So as you all can see, the boards is even not even, but I'm eyeballing it. I would advise you to use a measuring tape if you wanted to be in the right place. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to use a drill, not too much pressure. I would say do it with your by hand if you're not too familiar with a drill, how to work it real well or whatever, not apply so much pressure. But yes. So anyways, now that it's all up and hanging up, this is pretty much how it looks on the wall. And I love it. I love it. Like I said before, I was going to place it in my bedroom, but now I find it somewhere to place it in my front room. So if you queens and kings enjoy this little simple wall decor full of glam, please go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're a new queen or king just stopping by. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But with that being said, queens and kings, you guys continue to be royal. And remember, your crown may tilt, but it damn sure won't fall. Bye-bye.